Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Cleo's daily quiz for financial literacy. Do you want to level up your money knowledge while having a little fun? Well, Cleo's daily quiz helps you build financial literacy in just a few minutes a day. Let me show you how it's done. So first you got to do is to open the Cleo app, launch Cleo and head to the main dashboard. There you're going to look for the daily quiz section. It might pop up as a banner or under the financial tip or educations tab. Next, you're going to start the quiz. So just tap play or take quiz to begin. The questions are usually multiple choices and you cover financial basics. Step 4, answer questions. Now, even if you get one wrong, Cleo will give you a short explanation to help you learn. Step 5, track your progress. Cleo sometimes offers streaks or achievements if you quiz regularly. Using the daily quiz is an easy way to get smarter about money without feeling like you're actually studying, because that can be boring as hell. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I will see you in the next one.